Yes, yes, yeah. You're so good, Lord. Yeah. I've been hit with some hard blows, but I keep on standing. When the opposition gets heavy, I keep on jabbing. Cause my towel I ain't just gon' hand in. I gotta keep advancing, move my feet, keep on dancing. If life is a test, yes, I'ma keep on cramming. And if life is a game, I guess I'ma keep on gambling. But I hate to be misunderstood, understand this. He didn't put us here for just the average. We were placed here to touch the planet, to help those dealing with famine, to embrace the masses. So I'ma do everything within my power to meet with his standards. Even though I'm as weak as a man gets, his grace is sufficient just as much as expansive. Should've been a blind white boy the way that he got me enhancing. It's enough to leave my mind blown. He's the only one that I see better whenever my eyes are closed.
Everything you are is all I want and all I need. I gotta stand strong, I gotta proceed, I gotta keep moving and I gotta hold tight. I gotta run the race and fight the good fight. Everything you are is all I want and all I need. I gotta stand strong, I gotta proceed, I gotta keep moving and I gotta hold tight. I gotta run the race and fight the good fight.
Cause everything you are is everything I'm not. So I stop to ruminate on everything I got. Then I fall back and sing about it. Cause you put a song inside. And it's beautiful music the way the sinless can abide in a broke back mountain of a culture full of have-nots, chasing illusions of redemption in a stash box. I feel it in my chest, I feel it every day. The way my people relish in the feeling of a penny saved. Tough to bear it, but there's no eternal merit in things that man-made. Souls full of band-aids trying to shake the pain. Can't escape the chains, my knees falter when I'm fed up and express disdain. My little brother backslid, I nearly lost my brain. See, the Son of God came to give him a name. Look up and embrace the change. Tell your friends God mends the broken life, not to mention flatline to rise again.
Cause all you are is all I want, always.
Cause everything you are is all I want and all I need. I gotta stand strong, I gotta proceed, I gotta keep moving and I gotta hold tight. I gotta run the race and fight the good
Life
fight.
is a journey, and as I begin on my mission, I've caught a glimpse of your vision. Now my life is in remission. A little more focus now, reaching that broken child with words that emerge to heal the herd. I speak them loud. You've called us to nations, but we starting right here. And life as we know it needs to change right here. While some chose to leave, I took heed to the call. In the midst of these